Welcome to our trading channel. This is Jenny from peakbinaryoption.com. Today the USA released the CPI data. We did not place trades before the data release because there is no chance for a drop of the CPI number is low according to our system. So I placed the trades after the CPI news. USD JPY pumped a lot, but the CPI data does not support further pump and 147.32 is a strong resistance. So I placed a short position near the level. Now the market moves lower. There is about 1 hour left to expire. So there is high chance to reverse. I would like close the trade to lock the profits. There are many psychological traps in trading. You need to identify them and mistakes made before. Then you can improve the results. If you have any question, feel free to contact our team via email or Skype. Thanks for watching and wish you succeed in trading.